Ready to Work is a program that helps teens learn how to get a job and be successful at work. Taught in partnership with people in our community who work in different industries, it covers everything from writing a resume to searching for a job. Teens learn what it takes to be successful in a job, the unspoken rules of the workplace, and tips on how to find and apply for jobs. Teens get technical skills by learning how to write their resume and how to fill out a job application. For when they secure their first job, participants learn about money management, taxes, and how to create a budget. Plus, teens get real-life practice of their interview skills with business people from Sonoma Valley, and many even get hired on the spot. Graduates receive one-on-one support during their job search and placement, which continues for the first 90 days of their employment. With Ready to Work, teens gain the skills and confidence they need to succeed in the workforce and in life.